So the magnifier, you're going to find that over here in the right panel. It's a new little icon. And as I've played with this, I think this is going to be probably one of my favorite new features. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And what that does is it gives you a little magnifying glass that pops up over the image. There's a little arrow here that gives you some settings. So I can go ahead and say offset, and that's going to allow me to move it around. And then one other setting that I really like here is focus on cursor. So I can say move this up to a nondescript area, and then I can go down here and I can zoom in and take a look at the detail on my image. I can actually go and make this bigger too, so I can move that around. So just move that a little bit off the canvas there. And at a glance, I can see what is sharp, what is not, and really get in there and be able to see what images are worth working on. This is one of the things that I really struggle with as I'm going through and culling images is which one is the sharpest. And I think this tool is going to be kind of a make or break feature for me. I just love how you can go in and zoom in and take a look at that. You can even change this to, a bigger magnification. So if you want to get in there really, really close and really inspect that detail, you can certainly do that. And I just think this is one of those really, really cool tools. So it's here in the right sidebar, that little magnifier. And there's also going to be a tool inside of Edit. So you're going to have that magnifier here inside of Edit. So if you're looking at your details and you're sharpening and things like that, there is also, I haven't had a chance to play with it much, this focus mode. So this is going to go ahead and show you again some of that really fine detail on your image. So a couple of new little features there to look forward to in the Mylio Preview. The magnifier I think is going to be tremendously helpful. So once you get your hands on the preview, make sure you check that out. One of those tiny but super helpful things.